Hi guys, come with me to learn Builder Design Pattern. It's a design pattern that lets you create complex classes part by part. If you ever had a class with too much parameters, this design pattern is for you. Come with me. Instead of passing a huge list of arguments in the constructor, the Builder pattern lets you create objects part by part, making it more flexible. But wait, let me show how that works. Come with me. You basically don't want to start with a constructor full of properties. I'll give you an example. It's the same as starting with a cup of coffee full of optionals. They're optionals for a reason. You want to add them slowly if necessary. So I'll give you an example. You have a class, a coffee, that you can add sugar, twice sugar, whatever you needed. So that's how the Builder Design pattern works. You don't start with a full constructor, you will start with the basic one and then you add properties as you need, and finally you build your class. So it's super simple. We're going to start with a Builder Burger class, and that class will have add cheese, add lettuce. It pretty much gives you options before building. So for that, we also have a burger class, which just defines the specifics for a burger: size, cheese, lettuce, and bacon. And an option to print it. This is optional. The real important thing here is the builder method or the builder class. In here, we define methods, so you don't have to pass all the parameters in the constructor. Let's see how that works. Down here, we have a burger builder, which we do define in the constructor the size, because all the burgers gotta have a size. But then we can add cheese and add bacon, and then we build it. So that's how you use the builder pattern. Let's run this code and you're gonna see what's gonna happen. So as soon as it prints the burger, you see that it's a large burger with cheese and bacon. Rather than passing all the parameters in the builder, in the constructor here, we are adding them incrementally. And that's how it works. And that's the Builder Design pattern. Helps you to create objects with many configurations, like this one, the coffee. Let me know if you have used that before in the comments and if you have used that in the right way.